Let's take a rocket ride aboard Disney's Astro Orbiter.
Alright, pilots, get ready for blast off in 3, 2, 1, blast off! 2, make your rocket go higher, just pull back on that silver handle in front of you.
The Astro Orbiter is now beginning its descent. Please remain seated until your rocket ship stops, then follow the arrows to the flight deck. Welcome back, pilots.
Welcome back, pilots. Please remain seated until our flight comes to a complete landing. Now you can grab your belongings.